Hello, welcome to Clark Technologies. So this is a new video series I have started to demonstrate how we can implement CI/CD deployment for your MuleSoft applications using Jenkins tool and GitHub as a code repository. Earlier, I have created a couple of series for this CI/CD deployment, how to implement that by using Azure DevOps. But this is a new one. Few organizations support Azure DevOps as CI/CD tool, and few organizations take preference Jenkins as a CI/CD tool. So I would like to walk you through and I would like to explain all the step-by-step procedure how we can achieve this CI/CD deployment of your MuleSoft applications by using Jenkins tool and GitHub as a code repository. This is a part 1 video. In this video, I will explain you like how to set up your system. First of all, what are the things need to be installed in order to achieve this? Okay, so what are the different tools you need to install? How to set up your system to make this work end to end? Then in our next video, I will explain how to set up these pipelines, Jenkins CI/CD pipeline, how we can set up, and then we can do end-to-end testing. So from scratch, from zero to end. So from scratch, step by step, I will explain you how we can achieve this. So if you are visiting our channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that whenever I uploaded a new video, you will get notified. Okay. I hope you will like this video series and you will get the benefit out of it. Happy learning. Let's get started. So here are the list of items you need to have before you start this Jenkins CI/CD pipeline to build. Okay, so we have to install Jenkins. This is the tool we are going to use for this CI/CD pipeline DevOps deployment setup. And Maven, you need to install Maven in order to use as a build tool. And Java like JDK, JRE, which might be if you are already using MuleSoft, you have already you might have already installed Java, Maven, Anypoint Studio. So then you no need to worry about it. If you are doing this the first time, so I have given all the list of tools. If you are a fresher or you are doing learning from scratch, you need to do all these things. Okay, you need to install Java, then you need to download Anypoint Studio where we are going to build our flows and all. Then you should have gitbash or egit plugin. Egit plugin within the Anypoint Studio. I already created a videos and published in our channel how to use this egit plugin, how to install and how to do all the code merge commit changes. Just watch that video and learn how to use this egit plugin. Okay, or else if you are familiar with the command prompt, instead of doing this plugin, you will go with the git bash command prompt deployment also. So you can install git bash also instead of egit. So for this git bash commands, how to use this, how to install this also, I have already created one video. I'll provide you that videos in description box, video links, so you can go through it and you can learn it from scratch. There I have explained everything step by step. Okay, so this git bash or egit plugin, which is actually used to pull or push the code from remote repository and commit the code from local repository. Likewise, to manipulate your local remote repositories, you need to install this. And this is the actual GitHub account you need to create, where we are going to store our code like a version control system. You need to have a GitHub account and you need to have CloudHub account. Obviously, you need to deploy your MuleSoft application into CloudHub account, right? So you should have CloudHub account. So these are all the major things you need to install before you start building CI/CD pipeline by using Jenkins tool. So I'll show you all these things how to install. Okay, let's get started. So first I'll tell you how to install Jenkins. So let's install Jenkins first. So this is the URL where you can download the Jenkins software to install. I'll provide you this link in description box, even though you can otherwise you can just Google it for like Jenkins download for Windows. You will get to this page. Okay, I will also provide this in description box. And here You have two different versions of Jenkins. This LTS is we need to download. This is for long-term support, and this is a weekly support. So we no need to use this. We can select this long-term support version based on your OS. You can select this. Mine is Windows, so I have selected Windows. Thank you for downloading stable installer. So it will get download soon. And if you can observe here, yeah, see Jenkins is getting downloaded. And if you can observe here, by default your Jenkins runs at this port. So once you install your Jenkins in your machine, you are good to use this port. Once you hit this localhost 8080, then you can able to access the Jenkins. Okay. It will take couple of seconds or minutes to download. See, 39 seconds. So once it is downloaded, we need to install this. So the download is completed. Let us go to our downloads folder. And you need to double click on this. It will start the installation. Okay, so double click this. I'm preparing to install. It will open up an installation window for you. You no need to change anything actually. You need to just accept all the defaults and click next to get it installed. Yeah, you need to click next, and here you can select local system and test this port. Okay, it is available, and yeah, it will install the JDK by inside that. So just click and click next, click install. So it will take couple of minutes. So I will pause this video. I will resume once it is installed. Yeah, now you need to click on finish. Your Jenkins has been installed. Okay. Now you can access your Jenkins by using localhost 8080. Yeah, so once you are able to access this page like localhost 8080, once your installation is completed, you need to first access this page. localhost colon 8080, then it will display, one second, then it will display the page in this way. So you need to first unlock the Jenkins. Okay, so to unlock this Jenkins, you need to have that administration password. Okay, see, administrator password you need to have. Okay, you will get the administrator password in this path where your Jenkins is actually installed. Then we need to copy it from that administration password and we can paste it here. It will unlock. You need to create one admin user for this account. Let us see how we can do that. So I am now navigating to that Jenkins path, to the secret folder where it is showing. Okay. Yeah, so I installed it in C drive. Right, so if you selected another one, another path to while installing, you need to check there. So here in program files, I have installed Jenkins. So I'm just checking for that. Yeah, here you will find one folder called secrets. This one. So here initial admin password file will be there. You need to just right click and open it in a notepad. You will find the password. You need to copy this password and then give it there in that browser page. Okay, this is the administration password. You need to just copy this, go to that browser where you are, yeah, this one, just paste that and click on continue. What happened? It is not copied completely or what? Windows is okay. So the path is somewhat different. Windows System 32 config. I'll go there. I'll get it from there. Okay. So maybe I installed it 2 times due to some errors. So it may take different one. In admin path it has installed, it seems. So let me navigate to there. It will show you this path for you. If you are also facing any issues, you need to just copy this path and you need to go there. Okay, yeah, here system profile. If you run your application while installing it in by using admin credentials, I suppose you won't get these issues. If this is not your admin account, you will face this kind of situation. So you can just navigate to that particular path and you can take that app data local Jenkins. So I'm going there. Let it be open. So local Jenkins dot Jenkins secrets. So here another initial admin password is there as per the path. So let me open this. Yeah, this is another password. That's why it is complaining about. Okay, I'm just copying it right now and paste it here. So you need to consider this path. Okay, so click continue. Yeah, now we are good. Now it will ask for you to plugins to install. No problem. Okay, it will it needs to, yeah, see customize Jenkins. Some plugins need to be installed to make your Jenkins work end to end. So you can just select the install suggested plugins because we are not sure which plugins we need to select. So just click on install suggested plugins. So it will take some time to install all these plugins. Then you need to create one admin user. Let's wait. All these plugins are getting installed. See, all these are processing. Okay, once this is done, it will ask you to create one admin user. Or else I'll pause the video until these plugin installations are completed. Then I'll resume it. Okay. So once all the plugins are getting installed, it will show you this screen. Okay, you can just provide your user. You can create one admin user here by username, password, your email address. You can give it. Okay, so I'm creating Lakshmi Jenkins as my username. I'm going to select Cloud Technologies at gmail.com. Okay, so you can just use save and continue. Now your Jenkins URL is this one, so you can click on save and finish. Yes, now your Jenkins is ready. You can click start using Jenkins. Yes, now you are able to access your Jenkins. This is how you can install your Jenkins and set up it. We will see how to create jobs and all in our next video. This is just installation. So once this is done, you will make sure your Jenkins is working fine. Okay. Yeah. Now let us see how to install Maven. To be frank, actually, we don't need to install anything for specifically for Maven. We need to just download this zip file and we need to extract it somewhere in your local system. And then we need to set up the environment variables. That is the only process for setting up Maven. Okay, so to do that, I'll provide this link, or you can also just Google it for Maven download for Windows. Then you will come here, then download this zip file. This is the version 3.6.3, latest version of Maven. So once you download it, you need to extract it somewhere. Maybe if all the softwares together in one folder, that will be suggestible. But you can extract it anywhere, no problem. We need to set this path. So I am going to extract it in my E drive. If I don't want to extract it in my C drive, I will extract in E drive, and I am providing a folder name like Maven 3.6.3, and inside this folder I will extract it. So that's it. I'll tell you all the environments variables together how to set it up. So for now just extract it somewhere, and let's move for another installation. This is how your extracted folder will looks like. We need to set up this bin path as one of the environment variable in our system variables. I'll show all this environment variable setup together. Okay, let us install Java now. Yeah, now we need to install Java. If you are using Windows 10 operating system, then it is suggestible to use OpenJDK instead of Java 8 or 9 older versions, because your Anypoint Studio also latest version compatible with OpenJDK. So I'll provide this link in description box, or else you can search it OpenJDK 11 in Google. So you need to just copy this URL somewhere and just okay, click on browser. You will find these options. Just select this 11 LTS, OpenJDK 11. Click on latest release. It will also download a MSC file, just like we downloaded for Jenkins. So you need to install it manually. You need to double click it on this file once it is getting downloaded, and you need to install it by following the steps. Like you no need to select anything specifically, but just click on next until it get installed. And the path you can check and you can change if you want. I have already installed OpenJDK in my system, so I don't want to install it again, but I'll just show you one thing. So once the window is getting opened, you need to just select next. You need to accept this and next. So here, if you want to change, you can change this path to somewhere. I'll try to install it in E drive. I'll create one folder in E drive. OpenJDK 11. And I'll give new because I don't want to conflict with my earlier installation. So you can select this folder. Then yeah, fine. Then you need to click next. Now click install. So okay, I'm also installing again with the new path. So it will take a couple of minutes. So once it is getting the status is come to end, it will show you finish button. You need to just click on that finish button to complete the installation. Again, we need to set up some environment variables for this Java installation, like Java home path, class path, something. So I'll tell you all the environment variables together at the end of this video, so that will be easy for you to follow. Yeah, you need to click on finish. Nice, we have done with the Maven and JDK, Java installation. Let us install the remaining things. Yeah, I hope you like this video. You will get some benefit out of this video. We'll see what are the next steps and what are the another installations need to be set up in our next video. Thank you. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified.